Okay, in the previous screencast, we learned how to set up a Spark cluster on EC2. Now there's just one more thing you're going to run into when you configure it. It's been about 15 minutes or so, and the cluster that we triggered is now ready. I came to verify that everything's okay, and I went to the management console under EC2, and I can see my master and slave. Everything's green. It's looking pretty good. But then I wanted to verify a couple of things. Namely, I wanted to try running a driver program against it. So here, I tried running the Spark shell. I also tried running IPython notebook too, but they both resulted in the same error. And that is, after about 5 minutes of trying to start up, I see this unresponsive giving up one-for-one strategy. Well, I learned what's the cause of this, and that is because port 7077 isn't open. So let's walk through how to configure this port to be open in EC2. Click Master. In the lower right, you'll see Security Groups. From here, you should be able to view or edit, in particular, the inbound rules. So this shows all the rules for the firewall for this particular instance. And I know 7077 isn't open. So I'm going to add a new rule. It's going to be a custom TCP rule, and it's going to be for port 7077. It can be a custom IP, my IP, which would fill in automatically if I click this, or anywhere. For now, I'm just going to do anywhere and save. After doing that, running the Spark console or IPython notebook should work fine. Let's just run it here and confirm. It takes a bit longer when you're running to connect, when you're running the cluster over the network. I see the Spark context is available. SQL context should be available next. This is looking pretty good. So that's how you solve the one-for-one strategy error. Hope this helps, and we'll see you in the next lesson.